This is what happens when you let women invent things. I'm an overpacker. I was in California for 6 days with only this bag, and I'm gonna show you how much stuff fits in it. Okay, you're not gonna believe this. I'm not sponsored by these people, but I would love to be because, oh my God, did I get a lot of questions about this bag. Look at this. First of all, we got my fanny pack, which also just has a bunch of stuff in it. Right, this little dude I got from my little cousin. Great. Several little baggies of different things. Then we got my toiletry bag, which I'm gonna make another video about this because this is so good, right? Then I got this other gift from a friend. This is my toothbrush. And then my sleep mask and some stickers. Don't worry about that. My dental pod, right? And then check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shoes, and also a little nighttime bag that I took also full of stuff. Now I know what you're thinking. Elisa, where are your clothes? Great question. This bag completely unzips, right? I'm sure you guys have seen this bag everywhere.